Want to be your own boss? Tired of the 9-to-5 grind? Starting a pressure washing business might be the perfect opportunity for you. Homes and businesses need regular cleaning to stay in top shape. Get ready to say goodbye to your boss and hello to a future filled with freedom and financial success. This guide is about building a sustainable business. You'll learn how to consistently bring in $10,000 or more each month. From setting up shop to landing high-paying clients, we've got you covered. Before you blast off into the world of pressure washing, you need to build a solid legal foundation for your business. Choose a legal structure: sole proprietorship, partnership, LLC, or corporation. An LLC provides legal protection for your personal assets. Register your business name and get an employer identification number (EIN) from the IRS. Choosing the right business name is important. Make sure it's not already taken in your state. Registering your business name is usually a simple process that can be done online or through the mail. Protect your business with the right insurance coverage. General liability insurance is a must-have for any pressure washing business. You might also need commercial auto insurance and workers' compensation insurance if you plan on hiring employees. Contact your local city or county government to inquire about the necessary permits in your area. It's crucial to keep your personal and business finances separate. Open a dedicated business bank account and credit card for all your pressure washing income and expenses. As a business owner, you'll be responsible for paying self-employment taxes. Consult with a tax professional to understand your tax obligations and explore potential deductions. Having the right equipment is crucial for delivering professional results. First and foremost, you'll need a reliable pressure washer. You'll need a variety of nozzles for different cleaning tasks. Hoses are another essential component of your pressure washing arsenal. Investing in durable and kink-resistant hoses will save you headaches in the long run. Choosing the right pressure washer can be overwhelming with so many options available. For starting, a gas-powered pressure washer with around 3,000 psi and 2.5 GPM is a good balance of power and affordability. Gas-powered models offer more portability, especially for jobs without easy access to electricity. Look for reputable brands known for reliability and durability. Regular maintenance like oil changes and filter replacements will extend the life of your machine. Several accessories can significantly boost your efficiency and professionalism. A surface cleaner attachment is a game changer for cleaning large flat surfaces. Safety should always be a top priority when operating a pressure washer. Invest in quality personal protective equipment to keep yourself safe on the job. To maximize your profits and stand out from the competition, you need to find your niche. Specializing in a specific area allows you to become an expert in that field. Tailor your services, marketing, and pricing to target a specific clientele. This focused approach helps you attract the right customers and charge premium rates. Consider your skills, interests, and the demand in your area to find your niche. Residential pressure washing is a fantastic niche to start with. There's a constant demand for these services as homeowners are always looking to improve their curb appeal. Offer a range of services to homeowners such as removing dirt and grime buildup. Focus on providing excellent customer service to build strong relationships with your customers. Commercial pressure washing is where it's at if you're looking to scale your business. Commercial clients often require more frequent and extensive cleaning services. The higher volume of work and potential for long-term contracts can translate into significant revenue. Networking is key to breaking into the commercial market. Pricing your services strategically is crucial for the success of your pressure washing business. Focus on setting rates that reflect the value you provide and allow you to build a profitable business. Consider factors such as your experience, the complexity of the job, and the going rates in your area. Be transparent about your pricing and be prepared to explain the value behind your rates. Let's break down a typical service-based pricing structure for a pressure washing business. For residential cleaning, you might charge per square foot for flat surfaces like driveways, patios, and walkways. Commercial cleaning rates are typically higher than residential rates due to the larger surface areas and more frequent cleaning schedules. Additional services, such as deck and fence cleaning, roof cleaning, or graffiti removal, are usually priced separately. Section 3. Reaching $10,000 per month, a realistic roadmap. Now let's talk about the numbers. How can you realistically reach that $10,000 per month revenue goal with your pressure washing business? Remember, this is achievable with the right combination of pricing, marketing, and efficient operations. Let's assume you're focusing on residential cleaning and charging an average of $300 per house wash. To reach $10,000 in revenue, you'd need to complete around 33 house washes per month. That might seem like a lot, but it's entirely doable with a strategic approach. You could aim to complete 4 to 5 house washes per day, 5 days a week. This schedule allows for weekends off and even some flexibility for unexpected circumstances. To maximize efficiency, you can cluster your appointments geographically, minimizing travel time between jobs. As your business grows and you gain more experience, you can consider increasing your prices, adding premium services, or even hiring an employee to handle more jobs. The key is to constantly evaluate your operations, identify areas for improvement, and adjust your strategies to optimize your earning potential. Section 4. Pricing for profit. Don't undersell yourself. One final thought on pricing: don't undersell yourself. It's easy to get caught up in the pressure to offer the lowest prices, especially when you're starting out and eager to land clients. However, remember that pricing is about more than just beating the competition. It's about building a sustainable business that allows you to thrive. When you underprice your services, you're not only undervaluing your time and skills, but you're also jeopardizing your ability to invest in your business's growth. Lower profit margins make it challenging to upgrade equipment, hire help, or expand your service offerings. Instead of getting caught in a race to the bottom, focus on differentiating yourself through exceptional service, specialized skills, and a commitment to customer satisfaction. Communicate the value you bring to clients and be confident in charging rates that reflect your worth. Remember, you're not just a pressure washer. You're a problem solver, a surface transformation specialist, and a business owner building a brighter future for yourself. Price accordingly and watch your business flourish. Section 1. Building your brand, online presence, and local visibility. In today's digital age, having a strong online presence is non-negotiable for any business, and pressure washing is no exception. Start with a professional-looking website. It should be clean, easy to navigate, and clearly showcase your services and contact information. Include high-quality photos of your work and testimonials to build trust. Claim your Google My Business listing for local SEO, optimize it with accurate information and encourage reviews. Social media is your friend. Create business pages and post regularly, engage with followers and run targeted ads to reach a wider audience. Section 2. Digital domination. Harnessing the power of the internet. Now that you've established a solid online foundation, let's explore some powerful digital marketing strategies to attract a steady stream of clients. The internet offers a wealth of opportunities to reach your target market directly where they're spending their time, online. Paid advertising on platforms like Google Ads and Facebook Ads can be incredibly effective in driving targeted traffic to your website and generating leads. With these platforms, you can create highly targeted ads that appeal to people actively searching for pressure washing services in your area or who fit your ideal customer profile. Content marketing is another powerful tool in your digital arsenal. Consider starting a blog on your website or creating informative videos that showcase your expertise and provide valuable tips to homeowners and businesses. By providing helpful content, you can establish yourself as a trusted authority in the industry and attract potential clients organically. Email marketing is a great way to stay top of mind with potential and existing clients. Collect email addresses through your website or social media and send out regular newsletters with special offers, seasonal promotions, and helpful tips related to pressure washing. Personalized email campaigns can be highly effective in nurturing leads and driving conversions. Section 3. Traditional tactics, offline strategies for local impact. While digital marketing is essential, don't underestimate the power of traditional offline marketing tactics, especially when targeting a local customer base. These tried-and-true methods can be incredibly effective in generating leads and building brand awareness within your community. One of the simplest yet most effective offline strategies is vehicle signage. Transform your work vehicle into a mobile billboard by wrapping it with your business name, contact information, and eye-catching graphics. Every time you drive to a job or even just around town, you're promoting your services to potential clients. Door hangers are another cost-effective way to reach homeowners in specific neighborhoods. Design eye-catching door hangers with your services, special offers, and contact information and distribute them to homes in target areas. You can even time your distribution to coincide with spring cleaning season or other relevant events. Networking within your community is invaluable. Attend local events, join business associations, and introduce yourself to other business owners in your area. Consider partnering with complementary businesses such as landscaping companies or window cleaners to offer package deals or cross-promote your services. Section 4. Turning clients into raving fans. The power of customer service. Marketing is not just about acquiring new clients, it's also about retaining existing ones. Happy clients are your best advocates. They'll refer their friends, family, and neighbors, providing you with a steady stream of new business through word-of-mouth marketing. Providing exceptional customer service is paramount. Be responsive to inquiries, show up on time for appointments, and communicate clearly throughout the entire process. Go the extra mile to exceed your clients' expectations. Offer a small discount for their next service, provide a free follow-up inspection, or simply send a handwritten thank you note. Online reviews are incredibly influential in shaping consumer decisions. Encourage satisfied clients to leave positive reviews on platforms like Google, My Business, Yelp, and Facebook. Respond to both positive and negative reviews professionally and promptly, addressing any concerns and demonstrating your commitment to customer satisfaction. Remember, building a successful pressure washing business is not just about cleaning surfaces, it's about building relationships. By providing exceptional service and exceeding your clients' expectations, you'll create a loyal customer base that will fuel your business's growth for years to come. From solo act to powerhouse expanding your operation, congratulations. You've built a solid foundation for your pressure washing business. Now, it's time to scale your operation for greater success. Work smarter, not harder, to maximize your earning potential. Optimize your pricing and service offerings. Charge rates that reflect the value you provide. Add premium services or package deals to boost revenue. Invest in efficient equipment to enhance productivity. Upgrade to tackle bigger jobs faster. Use specialized tools for better efficiency. Streamline operations for smooth scaling. Implement systems for scheduling and managing information. Use software to automate tasks and focus on pressure washing. Section 2. The hiring game, building a team you can trust. As your business grows, you can't handle everything alone. Hiring your first employee can be a game changer. Clearly define roles and responsibilities. Are you looking for a general laborer or a skilled technician? Start the recruitment process and spread the word through job boards and social media. Look for reliable, hard-working candidates. Experience is a plus, but eagerness to learn is key. Invest in proper training and provide ongoing support to retain valuable employees. Section 3. Scaling for the future, strategic growth for long-term success. Scaling your pressure washing business is about building a sustainable enterprise that can thrive for years. Strategic planning and continuous improvement are essential. Diversify your services to attract a broader customer base. Consider complementary niches like window and gutter cleaning, or soft washing for delicate surfaces. Offering more services provides additional revenue streams. Expand your service area to new markets. Target neighboring towns or cities. Form strategic partnerships or open a second location. Never stop learning and improving. Stay updated on industry trends. Invest in continuing education. Streamline operations and deliver exceptional customer experiences. Building a successful business is a marathon, not a sprint. Focus on strategic growth and exceptional service for long-term success. Section 1. Ready, Set, Wash. So there you have it. A comprehensive roadmap to launching and growing your very own pressure washing business. We've covered everything from the nitty-gritty details of setting up shop to the finer points of marketing your services like a pro. But remember, knowledge is only powerful when it's put into action. It's time to trade in those what-ifs for why-nots and take that leap of faith. Don't let fear or uncertainty hold you back from pursuing your entrepreneurial dreams. The pressure washing industry is booming, and there's plenty of room for driven individuals like you to carve out a successful niche. Remember, starting a business is a journey, not a destination. There will be challenges along the way, but with perseverance, determination, and a willingness to learn and adapt, you can overcome any obstacle. The rewards of being your own boss, setting your own hours, and building something you're passionate about are well worth the effort. Now take a deep breath, gather your tools, and get ready to transform those dirty surfaces into sparkling works of art. The world of pressure washing awaits, and with it, the potential for a brighter, more prosperous future. Section 2. Claim your piece of the pressure washing pie. Imagine the freedom of setting your own schedule, the satisfaction of watching grime disappear under the force of your pressure washer, and the pride of building a thriving business from the ground up. That's the power of entrepreneurship, and it's within your reach. Don't let this be another one of those videos you watch and then forget about. Take action today. Start by reviewing the steps we've outlined, create a plan of attack, and commit to taking those first crucial steps. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. The pressure washing industry is ripe with opportunity, and the demand for quality services continues to grow. Whether you're looking to escape the 9-to-5 grind, supplement your income, or build a full-time empire, pressure washing offers a viable and rewarding path to success. So, what are you waiting for? Grab your pressure washer, put on your entrepreneurial hat, and get ready to claim your piece of the pressure washing pie. The future is yours to create, one clean surface at a time.